Now, very important program, how to read data from one file and store into another file. So this is the program, write a program which copy one file contents to another. Okay. So in this program we need two files. In first file, okay, so here one file having the data, we have to read data from particular file. So every character, okay, scanned, every characters to be scanned from one file and stored into another file. So here, so because of two file pointer required, because of two files are being used in this program. Okay, first file pointer, second file pointer. Okay, now here first file, this is the pointer file, first file pointer, this is the name of first file. Okay, first file name entered by user, second file name entered by user, first file name stored in this variable, second file name stored in this variable. Okay, now how to read data from first file? So in read mode we have to use app open command, file open, this is the pointer for first variable file, this is the file variable name, so this is the pointer points to first file. So in this file already having the data, we have to read this data from this particular file, that's why we open in read mode. First of all, see whether this particular file can be opened or not. If this file cannot be opened, it return null. So, okay, if this particular file having data and can be opened, so else part to be executed. Okay, second file open in write mode means we have to store the data in this file. So this is the variable name of file, so this is the pointer to second file. Same thing, whether this file can be opened or not. Okay, so it indicate else part to be processed when, if the condition is to be found false here. So okay, out file means if we cannot open this file, what does it mean? If because of, please you just see, W means write mode means we have to store data in this file. Okay, now out file equal to null means whether this file can be opened or not, because of this is completely new file. So if there is any problem, file cannot be opened, so what to do? Out file value null, return. Okay, because of this is completely new file, there is no data in this file. Okay, then out file return. Okay, out file return null when if this particular file never to be opened. Okay, now condition, if the condition is to be found false, it means this file opens, so else part to be executed. Now we have to read data from first file. First file app gets means single character will be scanned from first file, okay, and store into ch variable, okay, and app puts means single character to be written in out file, second file. Because of this particular file in which mode, in write mode, so write mode means we have to store the data in second file. So app puts means file related operations to store single character in this file, okay. So every character to be scanned from first file, store into second file, process repeated number of times, okay. If there is no data in first file, end of file encountered, condition false, exit from loop, close, okay, close second file, close first file and return.